Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, Restaurant Recipe Recreations. If this is your first time joining us, then welcome. So one of my most viewed videos to date is the Chili's chicken enchilada soup. And so it got me thinking that obviously my viewers like to see more recipes from Chili's. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to recreate the Chili's Cajun chicken pasta dish. Definitely one of their most popular items on the menu. But before I get started showing you how to recreate the Chili's Cajun chicken pasta dish, I would just like to ask that if you are enjoying this channel, if you find value in it, if it's entertaining to you, and if you are learning how to recreate popular restaurant dishes in your own home, then please subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button while you're at it, because you know what? It's free to you, but it does help me out a lot. It helps me keep the lights on. You get the point. If you like this channel, please go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the notification button as well, because that way you'll be notified of all of my upcoming episodes. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you today how to recreate Chili's Cajun chicken pasta dish. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do for this dish is we're going to go ahead and grill the chicken. I've got 4 nice big chicken breasts here, and we're going to coat them in a Cajun seasoning. So the easiest way to do that is we're going to just stick these in a big Ziploc bag. These are large chicken breasts. I think this comes to be just about 2 pounds. And I'm using a Weber grill seasoning. It's called New Orleans Cajun. So we're just gonna go ahead and really coat this chicken. The reason that we're doing it in a bag is so that you can just go ahead, zip it up, and shake it. And that way you're sure that all of the chicken is coated really, really well. I'm going to use my indoor grill pan because I just happen to love it. Grilling outside is your jam, by all means, please do that. But for these purposes, I'm going to go ahead and just use this grill pan. So I've got both my burners on high, and even though this is non-stick, I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of cooking spray. Okay, when you can tell that your grill pan is hot enough, we're going to go ahead and throw this chicken on the grill. Depending on the size of your chicken breast, you're going to do about 4 to 5 minutes per side, and you may even find that you'll have to finish them in the oven. I'm going to finish these in the oven because they are so large. But let's get them started on the grill here. So I've decided to finish my chicken in the oven because those breasts were so large. I'm a fool. I'm a total fool. So I've got it on convect roast at 375, and I set the timer for about 20 minutes. So while those are in the oven, let's come back and we're gonna make this Alfredo sauce. I never said that I wasn't a fool, y'all. I don't know, maybe it's part of my charm. And if you're thinking that I don't have any charm, you're probably right. So I've got my pan on medium-high heat, and I'm going to melt 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Next, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of minced fresh garlic, and we're gonna let that go ahead and get translucent. Keep it moving around in the pan so that it doesn't brown or burn. 1 cup of 2% milk, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to let that come to a simmer. Now that this has come to a simmer, I'm going to add 2 cups of grated Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna go ahead and stir that continually so that the cheese has an opportunity to melt thoroughly. Next, I'm going to add what I believe is the key to all cream sauces. Cream soups and cream sauces is an acid. So I've got the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. That lemon flavor really brightens up the heaviness of a cream soup or a pasta. I feel it belongs in just about everything that is rich with cream and cheese. Same thing goes for nutmeg. So I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon of ground fresh nutmeg. Cracked black pepper. Now, because the Cajun seasoning and the Cajun nature of this dish is so emphasized, I'm actually going to throw a little bit of extra Cajun seasoning into this Alfredo sauce, just to give it that extra kick of Cajun flavor. Once this Alfredo sauce comes to a simmer, and you're sure that all of the cheese has been melted and incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add 1 pound of penne pasta. I've said it before and I'll say it again, Barilla is my favorite brand. I only use Barilla pasta when it comes to boxed pasta, and this pasta has been prepared al dente according to the box instructions. And now I'm going to add, for a little bit of color and a little bit of flavor, 1/4 of a cup of chopped fresh Italian parsley. Now that my chicken is done and I've let it rest for about 3 or 4 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and we're going to cut this into cubes. I'm just going to show you with one chicken breast, but of course you're going to want to do it with all your chicken breasts. And it's as easy as that, everybody. Let's go ahead and plate this up. Okay, I have my penne and my Alfredo in a dish. I'm gonna go ahead and add my Cajun spice grilled chicken breast on top. Don't be stingy. Next, I'm going to add some fresh diced Roma tomatoes, some chopped green onion, or scallion if you will. I'm gonna throw a little extra Parmesan cheese up in here for some goodwill. Got a slab of Texas toast. And there you have it, everybody. This is the Chili's Cajun chicken pasta. Now that didn't take any time at all, did it? My goal with this channel is to show all of my viewers that cooking can be very easy. In fact, it's so easy that in about 15 minutes, 30 minutes, you can create a dish that normally you would have to go to a restaurant to find. And you can do it right in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can find me here twice a week showing you how to create your favorite restaurant recipes. But until that time, everybody, make it an awesome day. Thanks again. Cheers. Love y'all. Shit, that's good. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. Sorry, y'all, I had to do it. So I'll go ahead and leave you with that. Good luck getting that out of your head.